Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a technique called tucking, and tucking involves hiding the natural hair into or under the braiding hair. So let's get into it. I'm going to be using Shine and Jam, but you can use whatever product you like. So guys, tucking only means hiding your natural hair color inside or behind the colored braiding hair, okay? So here I'm just adding the burgundy pieces of braiding hair, and I'm gonna add a few pieces until I get to the size that I want, but I'm hiding or I'm pushing the natural hair at the back of the burgundy hair. And don't forget to add your braiding gel. It makes it easier. So this is what the back of the braid should look like. And slow down, take your time, because at first it's not very easy. So I'm not gonna speed up this section of the video. This is the first braid, so I want you to look and I want to explain the first braid to you. The second and third braid, I'll speed up a little bit so the video won't be too long. When you get to the point where you can no longer see the natural hair through the braiding hair, then it's smooth sailing. So yours should look something like this. So you're gonna see the natural hair at the beginning of the braid, but you shouldn't see it throughout the braid. So guys, I have not yet mastered the tucking method, so I'm just here to teach you what I know, so don't be too harsh on me. forget to like, comment, or subscribe, and let me know if the video was helpful. Hopefully yours are looking something like mine. Look at the back. Make sure that the natural hair is at the back of the braid. And don't forget to use your product. That's going to help a lot. So this is the final look of all 4 of the braids that I tucked. The next braid will be a regular knotless braid, just so you can see the difference between the ones that I tucked and just a regular or normal knotless braid. Hopefully you can see the difference between the braids that I tucked and that one last braid at the end that I did not tuck. But thank you guys for watching. Bye.